Good morning. Today we learn how our program will be executed in our computer system. As a users, we are giving all the instructions into the computer in a high level language that cannot be understood by the computer. Computer understand only 01 format instructions. So for that, if we are giving instructions to the computer change into the 01 format. For that purpose, we need a compiler and interpreter. It is a special software which convert the high level language to the low level language. Before it, we know what is the source code and what is the machine code or objects codes. Source code refer to the original code written in a programming language by the programmer, and machine code refer to the code convert into the computer understandable form that computer can understand and can directly execute it. For this purpose, we need look at this diagram carefully. Program, source code and translation take place here. It convert the program into the binary code and then it will be executed. For this process, we need two special software, compiler and interpreter. Either compiler or either interpreter we are using to convert source code into the objects code. What is the difference between these two? Compiler convert the whole program at once, and interpreter it check line by line and give the error if any error in our computer system. So further we are read this, we know how our compiler will be work. Now compilation process we can understand compilation process under these 4 steps. First one is pre-processing steps. In pre-processing steps, we read all the compiler read all the programs and eliminate or remove all the header files and extra comments whatever given into the computer. And then after compilation process, in compilation process basically it's divided into two types: analysis and synthesis phase. Analysis phase or front end phase, it read all the programs and remove all the tokens, keywords and extra informations. Then after synthesis phase, in synthesis phase according to that it convert our instructions into tree format, just like 4 multiply 5 plus 9. After this completion, after tree form completions, compiler shift this program into the assembly phase. Assembly phase is read all the trees formats and convert into the objects code. And after all the programs converted into the objects codes, it's shifted to the linker, and linker link all our objects code with the users library and standard library. These libraries are needed to execute our programs. So after linking, it convert into the exe file. This exe file is loaded by the loader to the operating system, and operating systems execute these programs. And interpreter, how the interpreter work? Look at this diagram carefully. Compiler work on whole program at a time and give any error if any error is on our computer according to line number. But in case of interpreter, it read the codes and line by line it check if any error in our particular line, it immediately stop further interpreter or further translation and immediately show the error. If we clear that particular line's error, that it read the next line. It is the functions of interpreter and compiler. It mean by compiler convert the whole program at once and convert into the objects codes, and we did not need again and again compiler to execute our file. But in case of interpreter, we need each and every times interpreter to execute our programs. Thank you.